Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve this error. Error is timeout of 60,000 millisecond has been exceeded. The issue here, guys, is in your WebDriver IO, the config file, you would have described the timeout should be 60,000 milliseconds. That is 60 seconds. If any test case exceeds more than that, you should be able to stop the test case because it should not cross that limit. For that, guys, to change that, if your test case is taking more than 60 seconds, do one thing. Go to your WebDriver IO configuration file, that is wdao.conf.ts or JS depending on your framework. Here you will be able to see mochaOpts. Okay, the framework is Mocha framework. So here in this position you can see here you change the timeout to 80,000 milliseconds or more than that, more than 60,000 milliseconds. So that let's say your test case taking 70 seconds to complete one it block. You change it for more than that. Try to run once again. It will work. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.